Hey honeys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jada and welcome to my channel.
Real J Wells, I was going straight savage. Looking at me once, you can tell I ain't average. Picture my life, yeah, I already have it. Lavish, living in a mansion, advancing. Everybody wanna be bad to the bone, but everybody.
As you guys can tell by the title, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I straighten my hair, like how I got my hair like this. I am 100% natural, so yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can achieve the same or similar look. My hair type is more, so you guys didn't see my hair texture in the beginning, but I have about a 4B textured hair, probably like 4A, 4B texture type hair, and I was able to achieve this silk press. I'm a type of girl that likes to have like curls and volume to it, so I did press it so y'all can see that. So if you guys want to see how you can achieve this look, or just see how I achieve this look on my hair, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. All right, y'all, so we are going to get started. My hair is already washed and blow dried. I did that yesterday, so y'all maybe don't know, but I'm sure y'all don't know, but I started locks because I wanted to do locks, and I still am in between, like, do I want to do them again, start them again or not? But I combed them out because my twist kept coming undone. So my hair, I did cut my hair, but I haven't straightened my hair in so long. So I decided, I'm gonna straighten it out. I was just going back and forth between if I wanted to straighten my hair out or not, but I definitely want to get like a length check. So I'm gonna run back through my hair, blow drying it, because I did go to the gym this morning. So I'm gonna do that real quick first, and then I'm gonna get started on straightening it. Maybe I should put my ponytail back in because I look a mess. Use what you got. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm sure my hair is not going to come out like salon perfect because I am not a beautician, but it's going to be cute though. So let's get into it. Let me blow dry my hair, and then I'm going to come back to you guys, because blow drying, y'all know how they go. Just try to get your hair as straight as possible in the blow drying process so that it makes the silk out process a lot simpler, and it makes your hair real smooth. So yeah. Y'all, so I got my flat irons over here heating up. I know I look kind of crazy with this ponytail on top, but you gotta do what you gotta do. That's nothing. I'm just playing, y'all. So I got my flat irons, and they're on, like, I guess I'm trying to put them around like 400 or 375, 350, because they kind of hot. I don't want my hair to burn or anything like that. So I'm literally gonna go piece by piece, but first I am going to add just a little bit of more BioSilk, because when I blow dried it and stuff yesterday, I did put BioSilk on there. So I'm gonna do just like a little small. Y'all see how much that is? That ain't even a lot. And I'm gonna focus it more on the ends because I am 100% natural. So I definitely want my hair to be silky. I don't want it to look like your girl is 100% natural. So first I'm gonna clip this up, and I'm going to just take my comb and like comb down the kitchen bar. I'm gonna try to show y'all best as I can. I'm just gonna take my finger. I'm not gonna do the sections too tiny because I also just don't be wanting to take all day. That's me. I be getting bored and I be ready to be done. So yeah. Then you take your fine tooth comb that section. Get a nice, make sure you get those roots nice and straight before you even go down. Okay, so that's good right there. Then I'm just gonna go like that. Like that. And my hair probably won't be super flowy only because I put this oil that I really shouldn't have put in there. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Get those roots real good. Yeah, I don't like to go through my hair a lot because I'm gonna go back through and curly, and yeah, I don't want to have a lot of damage on my hair. Y'all, so this is how my hair looks completely pressed out, and I tried to trim it a little bit, but I didn't do too much. But this is how it looks completely straightened out. Okay, so now I am about to curl it up. So we're just going to section right here. All right, y'all, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like how my hair turned out. Like, oh, it actually turned out really cute. I mean, I like it. I'm playing with it, you know, trying to feel it out, but I do like it, and I think it looks really pretty. So if you guys like my hair and like how it turned out, let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to like this video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.